Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix unrecoverable fault in GTA 5. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you need to do is to go on search and look for Windows Security. On Windows Security, you need to go to Protection History and look if there is some tasks in this basically under Protection History. If you see some tasks, it should look something like this, like thread blocked. So you just need to expand this option. Look if there is a GTA related to GTA, and then on actions, press allow or restore. And then after that, look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, you need to go to the client where you have GTA 5, or you need to go to the files, GTA 5 files, basically files directory. On Steam, you can do it like this, browse, and then you need to look for heap adjuster. Heap adjuster, right click on it, open edit in notepad, and then you need to heap size, make it below 1000. So let's make it to 900, and then press file and save. Look if the problem persists. And if the problem persists, it's because high chances that mods preventing you from doing that. So you need to find all the mods that you installed on your GTA 5. Usually these files is with an end with ASI. If you don't see extensions, press view, show file name extensions, and then just move these files from your GTA 5 directory onto your desktop or whatever you like. And after you cleanly remove your mods, then you need to look for the game if the game is working or not. So that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like and subscribe for more. Take care.